Today I'll teach you how to energize your chakras with meditation. Close your eyes and center yourself in your breath. As your breath goes in and out, you will begin to calm and relax. Place your attention on your first energetic center, the root chakra. Feel how it begins to swirl. A sweet and pulsating energy flows towards it. From inside the chakra, a clear and intense red light appears, and blood is carried to every cell of your body. Feel how the fresh energy of the earth enters in your body. Follow this energy and feel the pulse of the earth. As the pulse of the earth continues to flow through you, center your attention on your second chakra. Feel how it begins to swirl. Your awareness activates the second chakra. It is like a swirl of hot and alkaline hot water. As it rotates, it becomes more and more orange. Its vibrations joins your blood circulation and your purifying lymph fluid. This energy surrounds you and becomes a sea whose warm waters cradle you. You feel a caress in your soul which opens forgotten feelings. You feel a profound feeling of happiness. While the water of life continues flowing through you, place your attention on your third energetic point, that is your third chakra. Your awareness activates this chakra and it starts rotating with a warm and brilliant light. From inside, it shines a golden light. This light starts shining as the rising sun, filling your body with this sunny light. It lights all the parts of your soul, even the most hidden, bringing clarity and transparency. From the center of your body, this light radiates all your being until you feel peace and fullness. As the sunlight continues to fill your being, place your attention to your fourth chakra, that is your heart chakra. Your awareness activates its energy from within the chakras, starts to glow with a pinkish color with a green aura. It seems like a flower with its green leaves surrounded on all four sides. It starts to open and it emanates love and harmony vibration. Feel how you are cared by the angelic hands. Feel how the golden center of your heart leaves an inner happiness, how it resonates in your soul. How love and happiness go out to all beings with its perfect symphony. While the music of your heart continues sounding inside, you place your attention on your throat. Feel how your awareness activates your throat chakra. Feel how it swirls from within, a transparent, radiant, clear blue light glows. It's the vibration of the sky which brings you the infinite. Everything within you and within your life, it finds its place. All things that die and all things that are born. In this freedom of consciousness, you feel healthy and complete. It brings you a happy feeling and accepts all within you as you are. While you are in this infinite and transparent light, place your attention on your forehead. Your awareness activates your third eye chakra. Notice how it swirls, rotates, and vibrates. Its vibration is so subtle that it's difficult to notice. It brings to you a complete silence. From the depth of this silence, those are transparent indigo light. Let the deep light seep inside you. As you let the light go within, you become more deeper and subtler, and it makes you more receptive and more conscious, quieter and in complete concentration. It comes to you as sounds and sensations and intuitions. You are one with the universal spirit and creation. While you are in this profound and receptive silence, enter your attention onto your crown chakra. Here, your awareness activates your crown chakra and opens the door which radiates a transparent violet light. It is as if you were in a sacred place, in a temple of violet light within, with a radiant light containing all the colors. This is like as if all the colors are showering over you. It is a perfect light, absolutely serene with peace and joy, which will shine inside you forever. Now take some deep breaths and connect yourself again at your present before finally opening your eyes. Thank you.